a hot deal to a signed contract, your final sales play. In our videos till now, I've covered the systematic approach to health system sales, from understanding influences to crafting tailored contracts. Now let's talk about crossing the finish line, securing the signature, and transforming a hot deal into a closed-won success. The ultimate competitor is almost every sale is buyer's ability to do nothing. Your goal is to create enough urgency and desire to make a change that they choose your solution over the status quo. Here are the strategies and the sweeteners for CXOs to employ at this critical stage. Number one, a direct connection, not messenger services. Instead of being a go-between, directly connect relevant decision makers to resolve open contracting needs. Let CFOs haggle on payment terms and CIOs debate on uptime. Your role is to facilitate the direct conversation to accelerate resolution. Number two, the strategic sweeteners that I was talking about. Of course, use them with caution. These incentives can provide the final push needed for signature. Few examples are time-bound discounts or upside. Offer a percentage discount, say 5%, if the contract is executed by the end of the quarter. Or eliminate implementation cost. Waiving initial training fee or bundling an initiation service at a discount can remove a common barrier to entry. Another example could be pricing expiration dates. Stating that pricing is valid for the next 60 days can create urgency, but be careful not to create unnecessary pressure also. Another way could be declining the year-on-year total cost of ownership. Present a clear financial model showing long-term savings. So this way you can follow some of the sweeteners and then also ensure economic buyer awareness. Confirm that the person with signing authority is aware that budget has been allocated for your solution. Understand their preferred payment, their method of OPEX versus CAPEX, and be prepared to offer incentives for CAPEX payments. Always follow continuous communication. Provide a tracker to your internal coach, especially if approaching a pricing expiration date or the customer's desired launch date. This keeps everyone aligned and accountable. Here is an example to further show things in action. A trauma solution securing a deal by strategically addressing each buyer's unique needs through specific contract clauses. For the economic buyer, they put in a 20% discount and a 5% volume rebate, satisfying their personal saving goals and bonus structure. For the technical buyer, a transfer of ownership for existing inventory alleviated a major headache for them. For the user buyer, a scheduled service for in-services addressed staff training needs for evening trauma cases. For the coach, who also happens to be an economic buyer, personalized pricing created a win-win, ensuring both the customers' satisfaction as well as healthy margins. So by understanding each buyer influences motivation and strategically restructuring your offer and final pushes, you can navigate the complex healthcare sales landscape and achieve predictable, profitable growth for your digital health company. This systematic approach transforms sales from an unpredictable art into a repeatable science. Apply these lessons and you will not only close more deals but build stronger, more sustainable partnerships with healthcare systems.